Welcome to Nursing Study Cycle. This is Vijay Sandra. Today we will discuss about the most important topic is the clavicle. So in this video we will discuss about the side determination of the clavicle and parts of the clavicle. Entire clavicle we are discussed in this video. So let's start. So the side determination, first of all, we are seeing. Okay. So in this side determination, actually this is two ends we are seeing, sternal end and acromion end, and you will see this is a sternal end and this is a acromial end. Okay, and you will see the surfaces like superior surface and also the inferior surface. So this is a superior surface of the clavicle and this is the inferior surface of the clavicle. Okay, so there is a acromion end and also the sternal end, and also the surfaces like superior surface and also in the inferior surface. Okay, so and also, so in that clavicle that can be divided into a medial 2/3 part and lateral 1/3 part. So this is a medial 2/3 part. Okay, this side is a medial 2/3 part and this is a lateral 1/3 part. This is a lateral 1/3 part and this is a medial 2/3 part. So it can be divided into a, okay, medial 2/3 part and lateral 1/3 part. And you will see there is a trapezius, okay, which is present. Okay, so this is a pectoralis major, okay, which is present at the, this is a pectoralis major, and you will see the coronoid ligament. So in between the deltoid and also the trapezius, so there is a one ligament which we are called as a coronoid ligament, and you will see the subclavius. Okay, this is a subclavius, and this is a costoclavicular ligament. Okay, costoclavicular ligament. This is a sternohyoid. Okay, this is a sternohyoid. So this is a sternohyoid, greenish color. So this is a sternohyoid muscle. So in this side determination of the clavicle, so the medial 2/3 of clavicle which faces anteriorly convex forwards. Okay, convex forwards. This is a medial 2/3 part of the clavicle which faces convex, so which look like a convex. Okay, so in this medial 2/3 it is a quadrilateral end. So there is a lateral end is a flat end, and you will see the lateral end, this is a flat end. So and this is a medial 2/3 part is a quadrilateral end. So this subclavian groove which faces downwards, so this is a subclavian groove. Okay, so which present in the which faces in the downwards. Okay, which faces downwards. So this is a side determination of the clavicle. Clavicle, it is also called as shoulder bone. Okay, so shoulder bone, the clavicle also called as shoulder bone, and also the costoclavicular ligament. Actually there is an impression. Okay, you will see there is an impression, this is the impression. Okay, that impression is a costoclavicular ligament. Okay, this is a ligament. Actually there is an impression. Okay, this is a costoclavicular ligament, and this is a, and next we will see the parts of the clavicle. So there is a three parts we are seeing. Okay, so the parts, they are divided into a medial end, lateral end, and also the shaft. Okay, so you will see the parts, this is a shaft. Okay, this is a shaft, and this is a medial or lateral end. Okay, this is a medial end and this is a shaft. So that can clavicle which divides into a lateral end and also the medial end, and this is a, in between lateral and medial there is a presence of a shaft. Okay, so shaft. So the medial end, actually this is it is a quadrilateral end, okay, which articulates with the sternum, and to form a joint is called as a sternoclavicular joint. So articulate means what? Attachment. Okay, so means medial end there is attachment to the sternum, means there is articulates with the sternum and to form a joint, and that joint we are called as a sternoclavicular joint. So the peripheral margin of the clavicle, there is a capsular ligament, means the peripheral margin of the clavicle, there is an attachment of capsular ligament. Okay, so the clavicle, the in peripheral side there is an attachment of capsular ligament. Okay, so there is a interclavicular ligament, means what? There is superior margin of the medial end of the clavicle. Okay, so there is a interclavicular ligament. In the lateral end, so in this lateral end there is a which articulates with the acromion process of the scapula. Okay, acromion process of the scapula means there is an attachment. Okay, the lateral end which is attaches to the scapula. Okay, with a process we are called as acromion process. Okay, so that we are called as they form a joint. Okay, lateral end articulates with the acromion process of the scapula and to form a joint, and that joint we are called as a acromion clavicular joint. So in this acromioclavicular joint, which is covered by the capsular ligament. Okay, so by the help of this capsular ligament there is an attachment of acromioclavicular joint. Okay, so this is a lateral end, and you will see the shaft. So in this shaft there is a medial 2/3 part and lateral 1/3 part. Okay, already we will discussed. So medial 2/3 and lateral 1/3 means, so there is a medial 2/3 is a cylindrical in shape. Okay, so you will see, so the medial 2/3 is a cylindrical in shape. So in this it has 4 surfaces we are seen, like superior surface, inferior surface, anterior surface, and also the posterior surface. Okay, superior surface, inferior surface. Okay, superior surface, inferior surface, anterior surface, and also the posterior surface in the medial side. So in the superior surface there is an attachment of sternocleidomastoid and also the sternocleidoclavicular head. Okay, so in this inferior surface there is an attachment of costoclavicular ligament. Okay, so and you will see the anterior surface there is an attachment of pectoralis major, and you will see the posterior surface there is an attachment of sternohyoid muscle. Okay, so there is a 4 surfaces: superior, inferior, anterior, and posterior. So in this superior surface is a sternocleidomastoid and sternocleidoclavicular head, and inferior surface there is a costoclavicular ligament, and anterior surface there is attached to the pectoralis major. Posterior surface is the sternohyoid muscle. Okay, so this is the surfaces, medial 2/3 part surfaces, and there is attachments. Okay, in the diagrammatical representation you will see, so the inferior surface which is present in the this is a inferior surface. Okay, so in this inferior surface there is an attachment of costoclavicular ligament. Okay, you will see this is a anterior surface, this is anterior surface, and this is a anterior surface, and there is an attachment of pectoralis major. Okay, this is the anterior surface, there is an attachment of pectoralis major, and you will see the posterior surface there is an attachment of sternohyoid. Okay, this is a posterior surface, there is an attachment of sternohyoid muscle. The lateral 1/3 part, so it can be divided into 2 surfaces and 2 borders. Okay, so you will see the superior and inferior surfaces. Okay, so in this lateral, okay, in this lateral side there is a superior surface and also the inferior surface. Okay, so in this inferior surface there is a rough surface, there is an presence of a 1 tubercle. Okay, and you will see the borders, in this border anterior border and also the posterior border. So in this anterior border there is an attachment of anterior fiber of deltoid muscle. Okay, you will see the posterior border there is an attachment of insertion of trapezius. Okay, anterior border is a anterior fiber of deltoid muscle. Okay, this is a deltoid muscle. Okay, so in this anterior fiber of deltoid muscle which is attaches to the anterior border, and posterior border there is an insertion of trapezius. So means the trapezoid ridge is projecting. Okay, you will see the trapezoid ridge which is attachment to the trapezoid ligament. Okay, trapezoid ridge attaches to the trapezoid ligament, and they are form a ligament. that ligament we are called as coracoclavicular ligament. Okay, so trapezoid ridge which is attaches to the trapezoid ligament and then to form a coracoclavicular ligament. So this is a trapezoid ridge. Okay, so surfaces, lateral 1/3 part, surfaces and borders, uh, and also the clavicle. So there is a medial, lateral and shaft. Okay, so in that shaft there is a medial and 2/3 part, lateral 1/3 part, and this is a side determination of the clavicle. Okay, side determination of the clavicle. So thank you for watching video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Nursing Study Circle, and thank you.